Welcome to kurumicooks. You can find this recipe and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. Today we are making curry udon. Here are the ingredients. 4 portions of fresh udon noodles, 200 grams of chicken breast, 1.2 liter of Japanese stock, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of mirin, 4 cubes of golden curry roux, 130 grams of onion, 130 grams of carrots, 130 grams of aubergine, 80 grams of green beans, 2 tablespoons of potato flour. Halve and slice the onion, trim and halve the green beans, cut the carrots in half lengthways and slice them diagonally, and halve the aubergine and slice it. Thinly slice the chicken breast. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a large pan and fry the chicken for 2 minutes. Add the vegetables and fry for another 1 minute. Add the stock, mirin and soy sauce into the pan, bring to the boil and simmer for 15 minutes with a lid on. Add 4 cubes of curry roux and simmer for another 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Dissolve the potato flour in a little water and add it to the curry to thicken it. Then add the udon and simmer for 5 minutes. Now your curry udon is ready. Serve with some chopped spring onion. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.